darlings, my name is Darling Anita and I talk about lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, but this video is all about beauty because I have found a tool, well, me and you will be finding this too, that is going to help us contour our bodies to where we desire it to be. So if you're wanting to know what this tool is, make sure you stay tuned. Is my stomach. This is what I need to work on. Now be honest, it's not that bad, but I want to get rid of some of this right here. That's what I really want to get rid of. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and see what I'm at. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. I am at 35. I'm going to put this gel on my stomach. I am going to just rub it. Oh, it feels just like if you're having an ultrasound. That little jelly that they put on you. Make sure you get a towel because you got to get this clean. Let me go get this off my hands. So we're going to use this. This is the one that we're going to use because the illustration tells you this. And so I have it on, let me put this back, power 5. And then I have this for 10 minutes. So it has an on and off button. So we're going to go ahead and power it on. You see? Ooh, you see it's red. And see, the illustration here is telling you how to do it, which is cool. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to... Oh, you can hear it. There is a vibration. You can hear ringing in your ear. And the illustration here tells you how to do it, okay? And you also see here that the time is going down. And it's telling you with the instructions of where to do it, which is cool. The only thing is that ringing of that frequency is in your ear. It's getting kind of hot. Feel the heat from the frequency. Now holding this, now this is comfortable to hold, which is a plus. Now I want to get over here. And to be honest, I'm not going to lie to you. It tickles. It tickles. But it feels so good to your skin because of that heat. I did not take the plastic off the other one and it got stuck on my stomach, but I'm going to take the plastic off this. Now it asks that you use some oil. This is just some simple oil that a vitamin E body oil that I got from Dollar Tree. You can use any type of oil that you want, but it doesn't list what type of oil. It just says body oil. So what I'm going to do before I press the start back, I'm going to go ahead and put some oil on my stomach. Now this is new. I haven't used this because I wanted to get this specifically for this product. So it really didn't tell me how much oil to use, but just to have some oil on the areas that I want to work on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right up in here. This is this is like the suction that you're going to use. And so I'm gonna go ahead and press start. So it's telling me what to do. Woo! Okay. Ooh, that is a different ring. The ringing, it tickles. But you can, it's like, it's very, the ringing is more in your ear. You can hear it. Targeting that fat, it's like the louder it is, you can hear it hitting the most where the fat is at. So if I was to go in this area, it's not as loud. But once I hit that fat, ooh, it's loud. It's just like this machine knows where the fat is in your stomach. So it's like it's targeting that. It's like moving it around so it can, I guess, get out of your body. I don't know, but it is so, it amazes me that it knows where the most fat is that is on my stomach. Like right here is the most, and it's the loudest. So I want to push it down to try to move it. Now you can also use this to make it as high as you want. Ooh. On my next treatment, I'm gonna make it a little higher, okay? So I kept it on 1, the lowest it could be. So when I do my treatment again, I'm going to change that knob. That I was like, didn't want to, but I think I can tolerate the low settings. I just wanna. All right, and it says on here, congratulations, you are one step closer to your expectations. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and power this off. Well, of course, I'm not gonna see any results right now. I'm very excited to see what the results are gonna be. Now, they do, on this product, it does states that after your treatment, only do them 72 hours after each other. So the next treatment I can do for myself will not be until 3 days, the next 3 days. But again, they're asking that in order for you to see results, you have to do it at least 4 to 5 times. So you're looking at least 2 treatments in a week to get the results that you need. One of the stimulations that they do ask of you is that you do drink plenty of water. A gallon of water, 24 hours before your next treatment. And I would suggest after to flush out anything. And then it's also asking that you exercise to move that fat in your body on out so everything can flush on out. So I'm going to come back in 3 days to let you know whether or not that I lost some type of inch. But again, I know my expectation it should not be that high, because it did say after at least 5 treatments where you will actually see inches come off your stomach or wherever you want it to be. But I am going to be back in 3 days to let you know if inches was taken off of my stomach. So I see you in 3 days. All right, so it is 72 hours from the last time that we spoke, and I wanted to test the product to see if some inches, 1 inch, a half of an inch did fall off. And now I'm not going to get too excited, because the instructions did say that you have to do more than 1 treatment, and we only did 1 treatment. It also states that you have to drink a lot of water, like a gallon of water, to flush everything on out. I'm thinking that's what it is, to flush it out. And I did do that. And it also says that you have to exercise. And I did do that. So let's see. I have my measuring tape right here. So I'm going to see now. Before then, it was at 3.5. So we're gonna see what it is now this time. So let's see here, you guys. It is 3.4. I did lose 1, so I'm not gonna say I lost a whole inch. I'm gonna say I lost half of an inch, because the tape is not all the way at the 3.5. It is like in the halfway of that 3.5. So I am very excited about that I did lose, I'm gonna say, a half of an inch, which is amazing. Talk about the great benefits on why I gave this a 5 out of 5. First, it is affordable. I did some research on it, and not just on this, but just going to get them type of treatments, you're spending at least $400 to $1,000 each session. And again, we all have to understand there is more than 1 session that you have to do to get the results that you are looking for. Second, it is friendly, easy to use. It gives you illustrations. Even a kindergarten, someone in preschool will be able to follow the guidelines and instructions that is listed on here for you to get it done. The manual is easy to use, everything. And then third, you can do this in the comfort of your home. You don't even have to go out to the locations. You can watch TV at your bed, lay in your bed and do it while you watching TV. Whatever you want to take this, you can. It's easy to tote from one place to the next. This is a great product to have, especially if you're looking to lose that unwanted fat that you have had been sitting with you forever in a day, and you said, okay, exercise and dieting is not helping, I need more help. And I truly believe this is going to be what you need to give you the results that you're looking for. Now, there is a $40 off coupon that I will have listed for you below and listed right here. Go ahead, use that code, get that percentage off of this. So thank you for staying to the end. I hope I was able to give you some type of understanding on this product. This was my first time and I am very pleased. Thumbs up. Until the next video.